Hi everyone, welcome to Johnson's Corner. Today's project is this geometric style wall shelf. I saw one online and decided to make my own version. I used half-lap joints on the front and back squares, and the shelves fit into dados. I used Miller dowels to attach the shelves. Keep watching to see how I made it. Oh, and before I forget, if you like videos like this, please hit the like and subscribe buttons. Thanks. The first thing we need to do is rip the material to 1.5 inches for the square framework. Next is to cut the pieces that make the framework. I cut those at 17 inches, and that's because I wanted the center shelf to be 24 inches long. After cutting one, I set up a stop block so that they all would come out the same. The next step is to create a half-lap joint in each corner. This will give it much more strength. Here I am making a center finder for the half laps. I will use this to set the blade at the correct height. Just take a piece of scrap, the same thickness, cut it 45 degrees, flip, cut again, and the point will be the center. Now that the fence is set to the correct width and the blade is set to the correct height, it's time to cut the half laps. And I'll be using this shim, which is the same thickness as the blade. That is the secret to cutting half laps. Now I'm cutting the dados for the shelves. All of the dados are at 45-degree angles. The shelves are 4.5 inches wide. The top and bottom shelf are 18 inches long. And the center shelf is 24 inches long. Well, thanks for watching, everyone. See you next time.